Hello students, welcome back to CBSE Math Tutorials. Today we'll see topic Chance and Probability in Data Handling, Chapter 5, Class 8. So we'll see first the theory part, then we'll go to the problems. What they are telling about chance and probability. Sometimes it happens that during rainy season, you carry out a raincoat every day and it doesn't rain for many days. However, by chance, one day you forget to take the raincoat, it rains heavily on that day. So there is a probability of once getting the rain or not getting the rain in the rainy season. That's what they are telling, like a chance. One day you forget, then it will rain. So sometimes it is so happens that student prepares four chapters out of 5 very well for a test. So if there is any test, like students will prepare almost 4 chapters, but one they leave. Major question is asked from that chapter, whatever they left only. The left which is not unprepared. So there is a chance of getting that. Everyone knows that particular train runs in time, but the day you reach well in time, it will be late. So these are all chances of happening the things. Can you give some more examples? These are the examples where the chance of certain thing happening or not happening or not equal. So what will be more some more examples is for example, for the games, whatever you have been practicing for some game, for the tournament. So but just before the day you might have met with some small accident and you will not be able to participate in that. So this happens, like, because sometimes the chance of train being in time or being late or not the same. When you buy a ticket which is waitlisted, you do take a chance. So yeah, like when you book a ticket, sometimes it will be waiting list, but you will be taking a chance that hoping so that it will get confirmed. You hope that it might get confirmed by the time you travel, but there is a chance you are taking that it might get confirmed, but it cannot, like it will not get confirmed also, or sometimes. However, we consider here certain experiments whose results have an equal chance of occurring. So there might be so many things happening, but here we'll be seeing what are the equal chances of occurring. Getting a result. You might have seen before a cricket match starts, captain of the two teams go out and toss a coin to decide which team will bat first. So tossing a coin, everyone knows it. So whatever the possible results you get when a coin is tossed, of course heads or tails. So when you toss a coin, you will be getting either one of the result, whether it is heads or tails. So if we consider this as a coin, this is a 1 rupee coin where this is a heads and this is tails. So whenever there is a cricket match, two captains will go and toss a coin. So they will decide like which team gets, like they will ask an option, and depending upon that, whoever gets the heads or tails, they will win and they will start a game. So imagine that you are the captain of one team and your friend is the captain of other team, and you can ask them to toss a coin, ask your friend to make a call. So can you control the result of the toss? So when you toss a coin, so whether you will be able to know for sure, confirmly, that whether heads will come or tails will come, you will not be knowing it. Like until you get the result, you are not at all sure which one you will be getting, whether it is heads or tails. So can you control the result of the toss? Obviously we cannot. Can you get a head if you want one? Like if you want to get heads, whether you will be getting a result as a head, we are not sure. Or a tail, no, that is not possible. Such an experiment is called random experiment. Head or tail are the two outcomes of the experiment. So whenever you toss a coin, you will be getting either heads or tails, but one will come for sure. Which one we will get, we are not sure. So here also try this. If you try to start a scooter, what are the possible outcomes? Whether the scooter, like if you have a petrol and scooter is in running condition, then it will start. Or else if you don't have a petrol, then it will not start. So what are the two outcomes? Starting and not starting. What are the two? When a die is drawn, what are the 6 possible outcomes? So when a die is drawn, so we'll be having in a die, we'll have 6 pieces. It is a cube, which have 6 phases. So and each phase will have one number on each side. So you'll be having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers on one number on each side of the die. So when you throw a die, you can get 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. Any number you can get it. But we are not sure which number will be getting for sure. Either you get 1 or sometimes 2 or sometimes 3 or 4, 5, 6. You can think of any number, but whatever we thought, we are not sure whether we will be getting that number exactly or not. That is what the outcomes. Outcomes can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But what is the result? Result will be only 1. After you throw a die, then the result will come. So similarly, when you spin a wheel shown, what are the possible outcomes? List them. So whenever you spin a wheel, either you get A or B or C. The needle will go and stop in some place. Either it can be A or B or C. So here you have 3 possible outcomes. Either it can be A or B or C. Outcomes here means the sector and the pointer stops. These we call as sectors. So A, either B or C. It can stop it in anywhere. So you have a bag with 5 identical balls of different colors, and you are to pull out a ball without looking at it. List the outcomes, you would get it. So here identical balls means of same size. They mean same size or same weight and all. We call it as identical balls, but of different colors. They are telling. So we have 5 different colors, and when you want to take out a ball, which color ball you will be taking out? We are not sure. Either it can be white or red or blue or green or yellow. It can be anything. Until you take it out, we will not be able to decide what is the result. So there are 5 possible outcomes. Whether it can be white or red or blue or green or yellow. So how many possibilities are there? Those we call it as outcomes, and whatever the action completed and you got some result, that we call it as a result. I hope it is clear. Thanks for watching.